In this video, we will be going over how to remove and install the toner cartridge. First, pull open the toner cartridge cover as shown. If this is your first time opening the machine, make sure to remove the foam block that is taped behind this cover. There will be a large tab in the middle of the machine. Pull this tab up and out to remove the drum unit. Remove the protective tape from all sides of the module, as well as the black paper that covers it as shown. You will also need to remove this white paper loop. Push back on this tab here to unlock the cartridge and pull it out of the drum unit. There is also an orange tab on the side of this cartridge that must be removed in order for the machine to operate properly. You may need to use a bit of force to pull this tab out. When ready, align the cartridge with the slots in the drum unit as shown and slide it back into place. Press down on it until it clicks. Before reinserting the module back into the machine, we will want to clean the drum's corona wires. In order to do so, locate the green tab on the back of the drum unit. Push it all the way to the opposite side of the machine, then return it to the original position. To insert the unit back into the machine, push it in until it slides into place, then down until you hear a click. Close the cover afterwards. For more information, please visit www.visioneer.com.